Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a newsletter sign up to your WordPress website quickly and easily in this full guide. If you've been looking for a simple way to collect emails and grow your audience directly from your website, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll be done in just a few minutes, so stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a quick tip to make your sign up form even more effective. Let's jump right in. First, head over to wordpress.com and log into your account. I'm using the Continue with Google option here since it's the fastest and most secure way to sign in. Once you're in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard. Now, on the right-hand side of the dashboard, you'll notice a section called Quick Links. From there, click on Edit Site. This will take you straight into the WordPress site editor, where you can make changes to your pages, layouts, and blocks. All right, now that we're in the editor, it's time to add our newsletter sign up. At the top left corner, click on the Add Plus button. A small search bar will appear. Type subscribe. You'll see a block named Subscriber Newsletter pop up. This is the exact block designed for newsletter signups in WordPress. Go ahead and click on it to insert it anywhere you want. For example, in your homepage footer, sidebar, or even at the end of a blog post. Once the block is placed, you'll see a simple subscription form appear, usually containing an email input field and a subscribe button. Now, the fun part. Customization. You can edit the title, change the text on the button, or even adjust the layout to match your site's design. For example, you could change subscribe to our newsletter to something more engaging like join our community and never miss an update. Make sure your mailing list configuration is set up properly. If you're using WordPress.com, the form automatically connects to your built-in email subscriber list. But if you are self-hosted or using another email platform like MailChimp or Jetpack, you can link it through the block settings. After everything looks good, simply click Save at the top right corner to publish your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a newsletter sign up to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. And there you have it, your quick and easy guide to adding a newsletter sign up in WordPress. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover more WordPress tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.